to the one side of the analysis, we have a dart, Chevy, Dodge Dart, because I'm playing is that the vehicle will not crank on its own, but it will start if you bypass it. So what we're going to do right now is take the relays out. These two relays are here, so we can figure out which one is which. We're going to go on the cylinder number 1, which is a 30 amp. That should be our fuse 3. If we look at here, fuse 3 is this one right here, and that one should be this one right here. So what we're gonna do is test, see which ones is our power. So we're gonna pull that, give me one sec. We got some pliers, we're gonna pull that. So we're gonna put this back. See? So on. The one good way to test, then they'll be faster and easier. So we have an issue here, because that one should be fuse number 3. Should be 30 amp. Let's double check. It is fuse number 3. So let me get back. Let me figure this out and I'll show you guys. So I found it. Let me see if I can put you guys on here. You can see. Remove that. That tells us that that's the one that we're looking for. So the next thing we're going to do, we do know that we have good power here. We're going to figure out where this one comes from. There should be power on our control. So these are our load. So you see our control. Here's our control, and we need ground on here. So what we're going to do is grab this guy, go here, test there, and see if we have ground. Let me see. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but hopefully we could get it done. As you can see, I go and try to give it start, and I wouldn't. And put my foot on the brake and try again. As you can see, nothing. But if I go here, if I go and click on, because the light lights up. There's a reason why. There's something going on that the BCM is not happy. The BCM doesn't like it. That's the reason why it will not allow it to crank. First we have to get this side of the signal taken care of, and then we go after there, over to wherever is next. So on the Dodge Dart, we ended up putting a used BCM, program it, and car fired right up. There was no issue after that. I just forgot to record. I was very busy.